Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we'll be dealing with how to delete an existing string from the program. For example, I have a string S and I give the value as welcome to Python programming, and I am printing the string. Now the output is welcome to Python programming. And if I want to remove the string from the program, I have to give del keyword. This is the keyword to delete a string, and then I give S, and after this I'll try to print the same string. So here I got an error in line 4, which is print S. Why the error is caused is because name S is not defined. This means that even though we have created the string got deleted in the same program. So we got the error, that is name error, and we got it as name S is not defined. I hope this video was helpful to you. Like this video if this video is clear, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.